Webster's Word of the Day for March 11th. Today's word is scrupulous, spelled S-C-R-U-P-U-L-O-U-S. Scrupulous is an adjective. It means very careful about doing something correctly. It can also mean careful about doing what is honest and morally right. Here's the word used in a sentence from CNBC by Kate Dorr. In the Oscar-nominated film Everything Everywhere All at Once, a Chinese-American couple, played by Michelle Yeoh and Ke Huy Quan, with a failing laundromat, face a tax audit, meeting a scrupulous agent, played by Jamie Lee Curtis, at an IRS office to review stacks of business receipts. People described as scrupulous might feel discomfort in anything that challenges their moral sensibilities. Such challenges might present a nagging feeling, much as a sharp pebble in a shoe might nag a walker intent on getting somewhere. And we are getting somewhere. The origin of the word scrupulous is founded in just such a pebble. Scrupulous and its close relative scruple, meaning a feeling that prevents you from doing something that you think is wrong, both come from the Latin noun scrupulus, meaning a small, sharp stone. The diminutive of scrupus, a sharp stone. Scrupus has a metaphorical meaning too, a source of anxiety or uneasiness. When the adjective scrupulous entered the English language in the 15th century, it meant principled, as in having moral integrity, but it now also commonly means painstaking or careful. Webster's Word of the Day for March 12th. Today's word is divulge, also pronounced divulge, and spelled D-I-V-U-L-G-E. Divulge is a verb. To divulge something, especially secret or private information, is to make it known. Here's the word used in a sentence from the Chicago Sun-Times by Annie Constabile. As an unrestricted free agent, Stevens can negotiate with any team when free agency begins in mid-January. She isn't ready to divulge what her expectations are for her future in the WNBA league, but she did say she will be testing the waters. Information divulged is typically secret or known only to insiders, and it isn't usually shouted from the rooftops. But when the word divulge first entered English in the 15th century, it did so as a synonym of the word proclaim. Divulging involved declaring or announcing something to the public, a duty of town criers from Lizard Point to Dunnet Head. The word's source is the Latin vulgare, meaning to make known, which traces ultimately back to the Latin noun vulgus, meaning common people or mob. While nowadays divulge can presumably involve blabbing to the rabble, the word usually implies a more careful and considered approach to sharing sensitive information. With your Word of the Day, I'm Peter Sokolowski.
Visit Merriam-Webster.com today for definitions,